Apple thinks that they will sell more iPhone X Plus units this year, even with the possible crazy price tag. The Sunrise Gold variant of the Samsung Galaxy S9 is about to reach shores that we care about. And speaking of crazy price tags, OPPO Find X is getting a fancy Lamborghini Edition. I'm Jaime Rivera, and everybody take a guess in the comments. We're getting mechanical parts on phones now. What do you guys think is next? This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. I love that more companies continue to partner with Project Fi, LG being the next. If you're in the market for the G7 ThinQ or the V35 ThinQ, I wish they dropped that name, you'll get $100 in Project Fi credit if you go for it. And that's a significant deal considering the price tag of these phones. You can learn more in the description. Now, let me put this to you into perspective. Guess how much money Fortnite has made on the iOS platform alone for the past 90 days? A crazy $100 million. This is just to give you an idea of how important the platform is. I don't understand why Fortnite has taken so long to launch on Android. I'm really waiting for it, but so far it's so great. I just opened my account, by the way. I'll share it with you guys soon. We could probably play together. Now let's talk about the Sunrise Gold, Galaxy S9, and Galaxy S9 Plus. We were waiting for it to extend from other markets than just Korea. They just made it official as of June 24th, and if you get it on Best Buy, you can get up to $300 off depending on the carrier. More details in the description as well. Definitely a good deal. Now let's talk about that OPPO Find X. We get more information as of today. Those of you asking for the price tag yesterday in the comments, €999. Which, let's face it, I mean, this phone has got all the bells and whistles of a top Android flagship with something very unique, which is that mechanism for the camera. That's all great. For those of you wondering about the Lamborghini Edition that was just announced, yeah, that one's going to be priced at $1,700. I know it's a lot of money. It's got top-tier specifications, including 512 gigabytes of storage. And the reason why I'm going to defend it is because it's clear. I mean, it's called the Lamborghini Edition. It's not called the Volkswagen Edition, and even Volkswagens are not cheap. So yeah. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the iPhone X 2018, as we've got details of how much Apple is willing to invest. The company is expecting to sell a lot. Apparently, they're placing orders for up to 70 million units, where 45 million of those units are of the Plus variant alone. The company is expecting to sell a ton of them, and the price tag is definitely going to be over $1,000 according to the source. So it might not be the case that we're actually going to get a drop in the price tag. What's the strategy going to be? Well, apparently the company also plans to delay the LCD iPhone up until November for reasons we don't yet understand. But whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments. How much are you willing to pay for this Plus variant of the iPhone X 2018 Plus, whatever the name is going to be? Because, you know, I was like, my God, I wish this phone didn't sell so well so that people wouldn't go crazy and prove Apple that they could sell a phone this expensive. Sadly, I was proven wrong. Let us know how much you're willing to pay. I don't think I'd be willing to pay $1,000 for that thing. But anyways, leave us a comment down below. Your opinion is the most important. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the HTC U12 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.